How to add a shadow to text on Wix. In order to do that, just head over and choose which text you want to add a shadow into. I have in here this header text that I want to actually use. What you can do is you can just head over and click on that text right here, and it should be able to show you all of this. Click on this edit text option, and it should show you in here the select settings. So in here, you can see a lot of settings like the bold, the italic, the underline. You can also see here the color as well as the highlight. So just click on this drop down on the effects option, and then you should be able to see a lot of effects that you can use for this particular text. We have in here the drop down, button down shadow. We also have in here the glow shadow, the outline shadow. So just choose which shadow you want to actually use. For example, just using here the C option. And then once it's been selected, you should be able to see in here that this text that we have right now already have a shadow based on the effect we actually chose. So that's how you add a shadow to text on Wix. Hope we helped.